Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Major Repairs and Renovations. Choosing the right contractor for your renovation. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Embarking on a major home renovation is a significant undertaking. It requires careful planning, budgeting, and most importantly, selecting the right contractor. Choosing the right contractor can make the difference between a smooth, successful renovation and a stressful, costly nightmare. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to finding a contractor who aligns with your vision and respects your investment. We'll delve into the importance of thorough research, provide practical tips for verifying credentials, and highlight common pitfalls to avoid. Remember, your home is likely your biggest investment. Choosing the right contractor is crucial to protecting that investment and ensuring your renovation dreams become a reality. We'll also discuss how to review contracts carefully, understand the scope of work, and set clear expectations. Setting a realistic timeline and discussing project milestones can help keep the renovation on track. With the right approach, your renovation can transform your home into the space you've always dreamed of. Selecting the right contractor is not just about getting the job done. It's about ensuring the job is done right with precision and care. The wrong contractor can lead to a cascade of problems, including subpar workmanship. Shoddy work can compromise the structural integrity, safety, and value of your home, making it less secure and less appealing. It can lead to costly repairs down the line, which can be both financially and emotionally draining. Budget overruns, unforeseen issues, and poor planning can quickly inflate your budget, causing financial strain. An experienced contractor provides accurate estimates and manages costs effectively, ensuring your project stays within budget. Project delays. Incompetent contractors often lack the organization and project management skills to keep things on schedule, leading to extended timelines. This can lead to frustrating delays and disruptions to your life, making your home feel like a construction zone for far too long. Legal disputes. Disputes over contracts, payments, or workmanship can be time-consuming, expensive, and emotionally draining, adding unnecessary stress to your life. Finding the right contractor requires thorough research and due diligence. It's essential to invest time in this process to ensure you hire someone reliable and skilled. Here are some key steps to guide you through. Gather referrals. Start by asking friends, family, neighbors, or real estate agents for recommendations. Personal experiences can be very telling. Word-of-mouth referrals can provide valuable insights and help you shortlist potential contractors. Online research. Explore online platforms like HomeStars, House, and Google My Business to read reviews and ratings. Look at examples of previous work to gauge their expertise and style. Check credentials. Verify the contractor's licenses, insurance coverage, and any relevant certifications. This step is crucial. This ensures they meet industry standards and follow safety protocols and protects you from liability in case of accidents or damages. Request and contact references. Don't hesitate to ask for a list of recent references. It's a good practice. Contact these references to inquire about their experiences with the contractor. ensuring they were satisfied with the work done. Being aware of common red flags can help you avoid potential problems. Unrealistic low bids. Be wary of contractors who offer significantly lower bids than their competitors. High-pressure sales tactics. A reputable contractor will give you time to consider your options without resorting to aggressive sales tactics. Lack of a detailed contract. Never start work without a written contract that clearly outlines the scope of work, payment schedule, and timelines. Poor communication. Effective communication is crucial. Choose a contractor who is responsive, transparent, and keeps you informed throughout the project. Section 5. Industry benchmarks, certification standards, and what they mean for you. Understanding industry standards and certifications can help you gauge a contractor's qualifications. Licensing. Most jurisdictions require contractors to be licensed and insured. This ensures they meet minimum competency standards and have liability coverage. Certifications. Look for certifications from reputable organizations like the National Association of Home Builders or the Canadian Home Builders Association. These certifications indicate specialized knowledge and a commitment to professional development. Insurance. Verify that the contractor has adequate liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. This protects you from financial responsibility in case of accidents or damage. Section 6. Lessons learned. Real-world examples of contractor choices and their outcomes. Let's look at some real-life examples. Case Study 1. The homeowners chose the cheapest contractor without checking references. The work was substandard, leading to costly repairs and legal disputes. Case Study 2. The homeowners thoroughly researched contractors, checked references, and hired a reputable company. The project was completed on time, within budget, and to their satisfaction. Section 7. Protecting your investment. Contracts, insurance, and safeguarding your interests. A detailed contract is your best protection. Scope of work. Clearly define all aspects of the project, including materials, timelines, and payment milestones. Insurance. Ensure the contract includes proof of the contractor's liability and workers' compensation insurance. Payment schedule. Establish a payment schedule tied to project milestones, not upfront lump sums. Dispute resolution. Include a clause outlining the process for resolving disputes, such as mediation or arbitration. Section 8. Communication is key. Maintaining a collaborative relationship throughout the project. Open and honest communication is essential for a successful renovation. Regular updates. Establish clear lines of communication and expect regular updates on the project's progress. Address concerns promptly. Don't hesitate to voice any concerns or questions you may have. A good contractor will address them promptly and professionally. Documentation. Keep detailed records of all communication, invoices, and change orders. This documentation can be invaluable in case of disputes. Section 9. Conclusion. Empowering homeowners to make informed renovation decisions. Choosing the right contractor is a critical step in any major home renovation. By following these tips and trusting your instincts, you can find a qualified professional who will bring your vision to life while protecting your investment. Remember, Thorough research, clear communication, and a detailed contract are your best allies in ensuring a successful renovation. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.